Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. Yeah, I don't know what look I'm going for yet. Haven't planned it out. Don't even really know what I'm wearing, so wish me luck. If you are interested in watching this get ready with me, or if you're interested in watching, or if you're interested in getting ready with me, you know what I'm trying to say, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start out with my MAC Oil Control Lotion. Yeah, I do have normal to oily skin, I would say. Not dry, maybe, no, okay, I think I have combination skin, like it's dry in some areas and oily in some areas. Sometimes it's normal, sometimes it's not, so whatever. I don't know. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. First time using this. I bought this for my kit, but I want to try it out and see like if it's really good before I, commit to putting it in my kit. I've heard a lot of good things about it though. This is oil free. I guess it's just supposed to make your makeup look better. Maybe like a dime size amount. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So I use, as I use in every single video, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 108. This is my tried and true, my trusted favorite foundation. Going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, favorite. Going in with the same foundation I used in the shade 109 to contour. Okay, so now I'm going to bake with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Now I'm going to set my whole face with this Tarte BB Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation in the shade Medium Neutral. So now I'm going to do my brows using the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade number 4. I'm going to just fill them in and do some brow gel using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and then wipe off my bake, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now my base is done, well, except for contour and highlight. I'm going to do that later. I'm going to move to the eyes, and I'm going to prime them using my same concealer. I'm going to prime the eyes and then set it with a powder. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed, I'm going to go in with my surprise Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in with the third shade in the palette, which is Silk Cream, and I'm gonna make that my transition shade, and I'm going in with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going in with the shade MFEO, so I'm going to use that and go in my crease as well. I'm going to go in with this angled fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the shade Pooter, the shade Puta, and I'm going to put that in the crease to deepen it up a bit. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this kind of fluffy dome brush, and I'm going to take the shade Roxanne, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this smaller dome brush, and I'm going to take the shade Jax, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well to deepen it up. Now I'm going to go in with this shade Chip, and I'm going to deepen up the crease more. I'm just going to keep adding darker and darker shades until it gets to the intensity I want it to be. Okay, so now I'm finished with my crease and outer lid shades. I'm going to go in with the shimmer shade now, and I think I want to go in with the shade Cran Apple. So I'm just going to use a flat brush. It kind of has an angle to it. Just using a flat brush, and I'm going to wet the brush with MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so I'm actually going to take my finger, and I'm going to go in with the Cran Apple shade, just because I think I'll get a better payoff by using my finger. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I kind of got ahead of myself and just completed this eye. As you can see, I put some translucent powder, which is a RCMA no color powder, to kind of neaten up the outside of my eye. That's a tip I got from Jaclyn Hill, just to clean up the outer edge of the eye with translucent powder, just to get that nice kind of straight outer cat eye look. So what I did, I kind of started doing it on this eye by accident, but I'm still going to show you on this eye. So what I did was I took the shade Faint, and I packed that on the inner part of the eye. So I wet my brush using the MAC Fix Plus, and I just packed it on the inner part. And what I'm doing is I'm fading it into the more darker cranberry color I put down first. So to blend the two, I'm going to kind of just tap over where the lighter color and darker color meet, and then I'm going to take the brush I used to put down the darker cranberry color, and I'm going to tap over it to kind of blend the two some more. Okay, now I'm going back in with the small pencil brush and packing on a little bit more of the Chip shade on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with the two lightest shades in the palette, which are Beam and Enlight. And I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with a small kind of definer brush, and I'm going to go into the shade, those two shades that I used, Enlight and Beam, the lighter shades. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner with this. And the brush is wet from Fix Plus. Now I'm going to mix in some of the lid color, which is Faint. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go in with a smaller definer brush and I'm going to kind of blend it out. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to wipe away the bake under there. Okay, I'm going to use this kind of fluffy angled brush. Just wipe away the bake. Now I'm going to go in with the angled fluffy blending brush and I'm going to go into the shade Pooter and I'm going to blend that under my lower lash line. Okay, I'm going to go in with the smaller dome brush and I'm going to go into the shade Buns. I'm going to darken up the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Paris Still Kiss Me black eyeliner and I'm going to use this to line my eye. And then I'm going to go in with this very small flat definer brush and I'm going to go into the shade Chip and I'm going to use that to blend out the black eyeliner into the other lower lid shades. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my lashes and I'll be back to finish the rest of the look. Okay, so I'm running late as usual. I don't have time to do lashes. So I'm going to just quickly finish up my face and then do my hair off camera because as I said, I'm running late. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit and I'm going to go into the two shades here and I'm going to contour my face. Okay, so now that my contour and bronzing is done, I'm going to go in with the Desi X KT Dose of Colors Mirror My Highlighter, but I'm going to kind of use it as a blush and highlighter because it's a tad bit too dark. I'm going to spray my face with some Matte Fix Plus first. For lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX Lip Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade London and I'm going to just line my lips. Okay, so for the first time ever, I'm going to be going in with the Dose of Colors lipstick from the Desi X KT collection in the shade More Creamer Please. I'm so excited to see how this looks on my skin tone because I am yet to find the perfect nude for my skin tone, so I'm hoping this is it. I think I need to go for something a little bit more pink considering that the look is very pink. So I'm going to go in with this Buxom kind of pinkish mauve gloss and I'm going to go over it. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is it. I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and just set my face. Okay, so I'm going to finish my hair and change and then I'll be back to film the outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and that you were able to have some form of enjoyment out of watching me get ready. I don't know, or maybe you were inspired by the makeup look I did. Yeah, so if you like this look, then please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then please subscribe. Share the video with your friends if you think it's something they'd like. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So have a great night or day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.